Okay, so let me show you the pattern I came up with. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what's called a hi-hat splash. And basically what a hi-hat splash is when you kind of treat the hi-hat like a crash cymbal. And the way I do it is I keep my heel up on the hi-hat. And then when I want to do the splash, I bring the heel down. And I have, just by keeping the heel up and then bringing it down, I have better control over where I'm going to do the splash and how long I want it to ring. So let me show you the feet pattern on the exercise. So let me go real slow, and it's in triplet form. 1, da, and 2, and 3, da, and 4. 1, da, and 3, da, and. You can see that on the splash, it comes up on the and of 2, and it comes down on the 3. So let me combine the hands with that. If I did that faster. I'm going to do that rhythm twice, and then on the third measure I'm going to do one that's got 2 splashes in it. Let me do the feet pattern on that first. So you can see that the splash, the first splash is just like the first exercise. And then the second splash comes up on the and of 4. Okay, let me add the hands with that. So let me do the first pattern we learned. I'll do that twice. And then I'll do the one with the 2 splashes once. And then I'll go back up and do the first pattern. And that would sound like this. One thing about doing splashes, if you look at your hi-hat clutch, you've got adjustments, and if you're going to do splashes, you want to keep this kind of loose. If you look at my hi-hat, it's the top, it's fairly loose. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a break. And I'm going to do this on the 4th measure. So let me show you what that's going to sound like.